is Anjali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So आज का जो वीडियो होगा वो हम आई एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे. So welcome to my प्रयोगशाला, अंजलि की प्रयोगशाला. So today I'm gonna do a brown smoky eye makeup. So yeah, let's get into the video. So for moisturization, I'm gonna use Kotoxi Rays sunscreen lotion SPF 50 plus. I'm gonna apply it all over my face and neck area. Now I'm gonna use Blue Heaven primer gel, and I'm gonna use it on my T-zone, on my chin area, on my cupid bone, and I'm gonna tap it gently all over the place I applied it on. I'm gonna use Maybelline New York Fit concealer, which is in shade 10 light. So now I'm gonna apply it all over on my eyelid area so that it gives enhancement to my eyeshadows, and also I can easily blend in my eyeshadows very well. If in case you're not using concealer, you can go with primer. Here now I am using kohl NYbae kohl kajal, which is waterproof and smudge proof. Now using the smudging brush, smudge the kohl very nicely so that it looks smooth on your eyelid. Here now I'm using Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use the chocolate brown color to smudge off, like I'll apply it over my kohl kajal and smudge it really well. Now I'm gonna use the lighter brown shade. As the process goes on, the shade also goes on decreasing, and also that's why I'm gonna use the lighter shade of the brown, and yeah, smudge it well. Here I took the blending brush and I'm gonna blend all the colors really well. Try not to mix anything, but just make it look soft. Now I'm using the skin color wala eyeshadow, and I'm gonna again like blend it with my eyeshadow. Now I'm using the same kohl pencil and I'm applying it on my upper waterline. Now to complete the overall look of eye, we need to also smudge the darker shade of brown in the lower eye. First take the darker shade, then the lighter shade, then the lightest shade, and this is how you're gonna do it like the previous one. Here I am using Maybelline New York Fit foundation, which is matte plus polish, and it is used for normal to oily skin. Also it is SPF 22, and the shade I am using is 128. Now I am gonna apply it all over my face on the dark spots, and will blend it properly. Make sure that your sponge is damp and not dry. Also, instead of a sponge, you can also go with the brush. Here I'm using mascara translucent powder that helps in prevention of greasing. Let the powder settle for a minute and then smudge it off with a brush. I'm gonna use the Swiss Beautica color corrector palette, and I'm gonna use the darker brown shade, and we'll use it as a contour. And yeah, here I'm using Swiss Beautica blush palette, and I'm gonna use that blush all over my cheek, and it's gonna look rosy. Also here I'm using Swiss Beautica highlighter palette, and I'll be using it on my cheek, on my cupid bow, and on my arc, below the arc and upper part of the arc, and also on the middle part of the chin. So basically with smoky eye, the nude lipstick always goes the best, but here I wanted to try the darker shade of my lipstick. So yeah, I'm using brown color ka lipstick shade, and yeah, I'll just use it only. And here our look for the day is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you all. So I hope you guys like this video. Please do like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get more notifications, and see you soon. Tab tak ke take care. Okay, bye bye.